Alright, so using the scene from the previous one looking at the health, let's go back to our box. I'm just going to scroll down here to the setup right here. I'm going to make sure that the health unlimited is unchecked again. We're going to go and go ahead and click off of the regenerate. Inside the hit point settings, again make sure your hit point is on and it's 0, 0. We'll go through the hit point in more detail when we kind of set up weapons with a lot more properties to it. But just note that what you do have available to you are 14 different types of attacks and defense. So you can go from a physical, magic, acid, air, disease, earth, electric, fear, fire, fog, heal, ice, poison, water, and winds. These all have the property to be changed down below for absorption, defense, and weakness. This is going to be the attack state for it and the defense state. For this object, it would be in a defense state, so you could actually say that it has an absorption, which would actually give it a plus value to it. And we'll look at the calculation on that side so you can understand how it's going to work with it. But for now, we're saying physical, and it doesn't do anything except a straight hit. And then same thing for this one. You can do it straight on the edge. You don't have to actually increase it over, but it just depends on where and when you want it to hit for the trigger box. One thing to note with this one, if I move the trigger box, actually we'll just move the whole box up here. If we move the box up, I'll give you a for instance right here. I'm going to move my hit box up to the top here, so don't forget about that one. And then inside of weapon, we're going to scroll all the way down until we get to the points, until we get to the bullet for number 1. So the primary bullet, there is a hit option. I'm going to turn off the, let's see, can hit any active collider. We're going to turn that one off. Alright, so what we're going to look at is the hit box here, just so you can understand what's happening. If we shoot, we go right through it. Now remember though, there is a collider here. There's also colliders here we can go through. At the moment, the only thing that it's actually checking for is anything assigned with an actual hit point value. So if I jump up here, I can actually shoot the collider object. Alright, this can be the basic look at the hit point collider and how you can use it within the scene, but also a little bit differently.